What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to fix Viber activation failed issue. So if this is happening, you just need to do a few checks. The first thing you'll need to do is to identify your internet source. If you're using cellular internet, you need to tap on cellular and make sure it's turned on. Once you tap on it, you can switch to cellular data and this will turn things on. Now after turning things on, maybe you've been using cellular data on and off with your Viber while trying to troubleshoot it, and after turning it on, you'll need to scroll to the cellular data area where you have some apps. You're going to tap on show all, and here you want to look for the Viber app. As you can see right here, it's sorting things by name, so you just need to make sure it's showing apps by name. If you want to switch it, just go ahead and tap on sort by usage in this case, which is in blue, and it will change apps by usage, but we're going to switch it back to sort by name. So now it's sorted by name, and this makes it easier for you to search. You just keep going down to look for Viber. Now in this device, Viber hasn't been used with cellular data, and that's why you will not find it right here. In your case, if you find it, you want to make sure it's toggled on. Another thing you could do is, if you're using a Wi-Fi internet, you can tap in your Wi-Fi, toggle it on, wait for about 30 seconds, and toggle this back on. Make sure your Viber app is closed, and then you could try to toggle on and off your Wi-Fi and wait for a buffer of about 30 seconds. Then of course you want to make sure you're checking your app store if your Viber app is up to date in case it has any glitches and the company has fixed it themselves. Now one more thing you could do is under settings you can tap on general, then go to iPhone storage, tap on it. Then you also want to change the sort settings. The sort is found here and it's currently based on the size. We're going to tap on size and then select name. So this makes things easier for you to search through. Of course, at the bottom, you could search for Viber, or you could just scroll down to the bottom, tap on show all, still scroll down to where you have V. So here we can see Viber. We're going to tap on it. And here you could decide to delete the app and go over to your app store and install it once again. Now, the very last thing you could do is to try to change numbers. In some cases, Viber activation might not work because of your cellular provider. If that's the case, you might find it that another provider will work with the activation. That means it's not an app issue, but a service provider issue. Try all these options and we hope you find a solution.